just getting into commercial roofing, and this class has been phenomenal as far as learning the ins and outs of everything commercial roofing. It's just been a great class.
I met Chad through a mutual acquaintance, and I got to talking to him about a month ago, and he invited me to this seminar. The best thing about it is he gives you his 25 years of experience over 2 days, and it's just enough time to be able to absorb enough to realize what you don't know. I'm aware of so many more things now than I was before, and I'm grateful for that because I think that I would have made a lot of expensive mistakes that I can now avoid. I'm really appreciative for this and grateful for the opportunity to be a part of it.
It's my first time coming to the event, Spring for Profits. It was extremely helpful. All the practical uses that he was talking about with the coatings, the safety aspect of it. It's really a thorough class, and for somebody who's just getting into the industry, it's helpful.
There were a handful of different tactics on how to close more deals. It's very important, obviously, to sell jobs. That front end, those little advantages and tactics of how to differentiate yourself between the rest of the pack and win more jobs, those were probably the biggest things I took away from this time.
I've known Chad for quite a few years. I came to the event because I know that he's very knowledgeable in the industry. Just wanted to learn more about the sales aspect of the business. I've been doing it for 15 years and basically been installing. Came and learned some great things from Chad, things that I'm definitely going to incorporate into my business.
I learned a lot from Chad. Anytime you can listen to somebody that's been doing it as long as he has, you're going to learn a lot of little things that you might not pick up no matter how long you've been in business. Highly recommend it for anybody to take the class.